never last, but what last are the tough people. And this whole program and the whole exercise we have been doing since morning is creating tough people who can persist the challenging time, because 2020, 2021, and we don't know about 22. Yes? Okay. So there are a lot of psychosocial risks we are having due to this crisis. Health issues are definitely there, but more than there are psychosocial issues. There are job instabilities. There are many breakages which is happening which never ever happened in the past. And the screening, MHA screening has been done with so many symptoms and different problems occurring in different individuals. These are the lot of problems we are facing, and they will be increasing in the coming time. Yes, we have to definitely check them, because these negative health behaviors will definitely impart wrongly in our health. So how do we get over it? What is our safety armor, or in Hindi we call कवच? हमारा कवच क्या होगा इस प्रॉब्लम से फेस करने के लिए, जो हमारे सामने 2020 में आया था और 2021 में आया है और आगे भी ये रहने वाला है. I'm not scaring you, but we have to be prepare ourselves with the armor. एक कवच हमें पहनने का हाई टाइम आ गया है. तो पहला आपका कवच होगा फिजिकल, आपकी बॉडी, जो हर एक सिचुएशन से फाइट करते हैं. तो उसमें फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ के लिए आई थिंक सेकंड जो एंगल आएगा वो आपकी फंक्शनिंग क्या रहेगी, फिजियोलॉजिकल का लेवल क्या है आपके परफॉर्मेंस का. और तीसरी चीज आएगी जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो है मेंटल या माइंडसेट. आपका क्या माइंडसेट रहेगा, ये तीसरा डायमेंशन है जो डिसाइड करेगा कि इस वॉर को जो 2020 2021 में है आगे भी कंटिन्यू रहेगा, आप इसमें विनर रहते हैं या आप स्ट्रगल करते हैं. तो फिजिकल से स्टार्ट करते हैं. एवरीवन नोज हेल्दी डाइट. पहले हमने कभी किसी ने बताया भी होगा तो सुनने की जरूरत नहीं समझी होगी कि हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है लाइफ में, हम बाद में कर लेंगे, अभी तो हमें बहुत दूसरे काम करने हैं. बट अब हेल्दी डाइट को हम लोग सब जगह ढूंढ रहे हैं कि कौन सी डाइट है जो इम्यूनिटी एनहांस करती है, कौन सी डाइट है जो कोविड से प्रोटेक्शन देती है. तो हेल्दी डाइट डेफिनेटली हमें वेजिटेबल, फ्रूट्स, लेस ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, लेस ऑफ शुगर, लेस ऑफ ऑयल, वो हमेशा ये कंसेप्ट्स रहने वाले हैं. फिजिकल एक्टिविटी बहुत जरूरी है. लॉकडाउन गवर्नमेंट कर रही है, बट हमें लॉकडाउन खुद पे नहीं लगाना है. घर के अंदर तो मोबाइल हमें होना ही है, क्योंकि अगर फिजिकल एक्टिविटी नहीं होगी तो फंक्शनैलिटी हमारी कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो जाएगी. आज के टाइम में हम लंग्स पे ही डिपेंडेंट हैं. जिसके 2 हेल्दी लंग्स हैं वो विनर है. जिसके हेल्दी लंग्स नहीं हैं, बैंक बैलेंस कितना भी है, वो मनी लेके डोंट वांट टू डिस्कस दैट. तो अगर हमें हेल्दी लंग्स करने हैं अपने, तो प्राणायाम हेल्प करेगा. एक प्राणायाम का नाम मैं जानता हूँ, सुदर्शन क्रिया. बाकी प्राणायाम के नाम आप पता कर सकते हो, बट हमें लंग्स को हेल्दी रखना बहुत जरूरी है. आज पूरा फोकस लंग्स पे ही है, लंग्स पे है, हार्ट पे है. मैं टोटल हेल्थ की बात करता हूँ. बेसिकली टोटल हेल्थ का क्या मतलब होता है? फिजिकल हेल्थ के संग संग हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हमारी इमोशनल हेल्थ भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सोशल हेल्थ का चैलेंज इस समय है ही, और कई लोगों के लिए फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. तो ये सारे डायमेंशंस जब हम टच करेंगे तो हम टोटल हेल्थ में एंटर कर पाएंगे. तो रिवायर योर ब्रेन जो कंसेप्ट है, आई डिड दिस प्रोग्राम 3 months बैक. तो जो अभी तक डिस्कस किया गया है ना, उसकी रेलेवेंस को अगर हम देखें या उसकी एक प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेबिलिटी तो देखें, तो क्या ब्रेन को रिवायर किया जा सकता है क्या? तो उसका आंसर है यस, किया जा सकता है. ब्रेन को रिवायर किया जा सकता है. और जो ब्रेन में जो हम वायरिंग करते हैं वो आगे हमारे बॉडी को भी उसी डायमेंशन में ले जाएगी। और अभी जो मैंने 5 डायमेंशन बताए हेल्थ के, जिसमें फाइनेंशियल एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डायमेंशन है, उसको भी ये रिवायर्ड ब्रेन आपको ले जाएगा। तो रिवायरिंग योर ब्रेन इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर, हमें करना ही है। एक नेगेटिव माइंडसेट के संग ना तो हम फिजिकली फाइट कर पाएंगे, ना सोशली फाइट कर पाएंगे, और ना फाइनेंशियली फाइट कर पाएंगे। तो अगर हमने पहले कभी नहीं सोचा है रिवायर योर ब्रेन करने के बारे में, तो रिवायर योर ब्रेन करने का भी ये आखिरी मौका हमें मिल रहा है, क्योंकि उस पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट से हमें अपनी बॉडी को और अपनी हेल्थ को आगे ले जाना है। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट डायमेंशन है। एक कहावत है, जो डर गया वो मर गया, ये आज बहुत ज्यादा वैलिड है। एक बार अगर हमारे ब्रेन में फियर फैक्टर हावी हो जाता है, तो हमारी बॉडी, लंग्स, हार्ट और हार्मोन्स वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं, और फिर बॉडी जवाब दे जाती है। तो सारे सिग्नल्स ब्रेन से ही जाते हैं हेल्थ में। तो दिस इज द टाइम कि अपनी रिवायरिंग हमें किस पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट के संग करनी है। बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स डायग्राम है ये रिवायर योर ब्रेन की। एक्चुअली एनाटॉमी और फिजियोलॉजी बताता है, जिसमें बहुत सारे पाथवेज हैं, बहुत सारे सिस्टम्स हैं, न्यूरल सिस्टम्स हैं, नर्व्स हैं, न्यूरॉन्स हैं, नेटवर्क है, प्लेक्ससेस हैं। और ये बेसिकली रफली डिफरेंट एरियाज बताते हैं कि ब्रेन के जो डिफरेंट सर्किट्स हैं वो हर बॉडी पार्ट से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं थ्रू नर्व्स एंड हार्मोन्स। तो जो हमारी थॉट प्रोसेस होती है वो हमारी बॉडी पे पूरा इफेक्ट डालती है, चाहे वो हमें अपने फिजिकली एफर्ट्स देने हो, या हमें मेंटल लेवल पे प्लानिंग करनी हो, एग्जीक्यूशन करना हो। सारे सिग्नल्स तो ऊपर से ही आते हैं। तो हमें ब्रेन को तो रिवायर करना ही पड़ेगा अगर हमें अपनी बॉडी से, ब्रेन से अच्छा काम लेना है। बट हमारा माइंड तो डाउटफुल है। माइंड की हमारी टेंडेंसी है कि नेगेटिव चीज को तो बहुत जल्दी पकड़ता है, बट पॉजिटिव चीज कोई आती है सामने तो हम सोचते हैं ये जो लोग बता रहे हैं इनका कोई प्रोफेशनल गेन होगा, इनको फायदा हो रहा होगा, इनका काम नहीं चल रहा होगा, इसलिए ये सेशंस कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं। ये डाउट हमने वैक्सीन के ऊपर भी किया 2020 में, कई लोगों ने किया डाउट कि हम नहीं लगाएंगे, इसके साइड इफेक्ट ना हो जाएं। और 2021 में अब हम जान रहे हैं कि हम वैक्सीन को किस तरह ढूंढ रहे हैं। जैसे सांस ढूंढते हैं हम, जैसे लाइफ ढूंढते हैं हम, वैसे वैक्सीन को ढूंढ रहे हैं। क्योंकि अब हमें समझ में आ गया बिना इसके हो नहीं पाएगा काम, बट हमने डाउट किया, 1 साल निकाल दिया, और कई लोग उस डाउट में ही चले गए, वैक्सीनेट नहीं करा पाया उन्होंने। तो आई थिंक मेंटल वैक्सीन का ये अपॉर्चुनिटी सामने दिख रही है। इसको ऐसे मत समझिए कि हम लोग क्या गेन करेंगे, इसको ऐसे समझिए कि आप लोग सब कुछ गेन कर सकते हैं। तो this is the time for mental vaccination as well, and mental vaccine is rewire your brain. I will end my talk here. There is limit to everything. You know, road has speed limit, bank has money limit, exam has time limit, but again thinking doesn't have any limit. So we have to think big and achieve big tasks. Thank you and take care. I'm open for any question.
Dr. Neeraj sir, thank you so much for your wonderful thought process that you have put in over here and connected the dots. I would request anybody of you, if you want to ask any specific questions regarding health or the mental part of it connected to the health, please go ahead and you can ask Dr. Neeraj ji.
Or type in chat box, please.
Yeah, Raj Manmaji has raised the hand. Go ahead. You can ask any question, okay? It need not be this, anything to do with the corona and everything. Dr. Neeraj is a doctor in the Fortis Hospital, and he has taken his time to come over here.
There are many of the dimensions, lot of research is happening, lot of things happening. I have intentionally not touched because this is not that elaborate platform for that. But 2 messages I would like to give from my side before you ask the question. First, vaccination is a must. There is no doubt about the safety of the vaccine and efficacy of the vaccine. Both Covaxin and Covishield are equally effective with no side effects. as earliest as possible, you should go for vaccination. This is my first take. And again, a good, healthy body and mind, they will help you in this difficult time. I am not scaring you. We have single mutant, we have double mutant. We don't know how many mutants. And this virus is much intelligent than our thought processes. It's practically very difficult to escape ourselves. So we have to be ready with a positive body, positive physical set, and positive mindset. This is my message to all of you. Never ever give way. Be positive. अगर कोविड पॉजिटिव कोई आपके फैमिली में आ जाता है, we don't have to be overconfident. सारे precautions लेने हमें. Everything you know, social distancing, mask, sanitizer, vaccination, XYZ. But if you have it, don't give way. Be confident. Build healthy lungs and build your brain. Rewire your brain. Time for that. You might not get more time for that.
Dr. Neeraj. Yeah, Raj Manwa here. Yeah, my question is, with my whatever knowledge I have got, I suppose that vaccine may be containing maybe 50% or 10%, whatever it is, or maybe ineffective, not to produce. Now, they say that even if you get the virus, or someone who has got the coronavirus, still taking vaccination is must. That is first question that I can't understand. Okay, even if he has got the virus, then it is as good as maybe my thinking says it is 100% virus has entered his body and defeated that. That is first question. And second thing is vaccination will be for particular variant, and virus is continuously mutation is taking place. So how effective vaccines are there for mutations? And again, there is still now that no studies are there. Unless and until we have the study, how can we have the surety that it is working against the mutation? And normally vaccination, as per my knowledge, it takes around 5-10 years to produce a vaccine. But here in this case, emergency approvals are given within 1 or 2 years. So all those questions are coming to my mind. Yeah, if you can throw on light on that.
Yeah. Getting a vaccine is helpful against many diseases. The evidence is generating. Many evidence have done on vaccines that they are giving protection to many more mutants even. See, to give you a general example, getting a vaccination and then having a COVID infection is just like you are sleeping in the night and some robbers attack you. And getting an infection after vaccination is just like you have rehearsed this pre-plan in the mind, you have security, in the daylight, you are fighting with your body behaves in that way. The virus composition is having different neuropeptide, different antigen combination, crux of that, but the identification system of the body immune system, that once that goes through that process, so now the ready-made stuff is there, and the time the virus gets in, the body immediately develops a lot of antibodies among different variants. We have seen this. Many health workers who have got vaccinated, they got the infection, they got the COVID infection, but then they fared it very well. They were very mild or moderate infection and they recovered. There was no mortality in vaccinated person. So definitely vaccination has got protection against many things. Until the time we are generating evidence, we should as early as possible get vaccination, but don't panic. पैनिक नहीं करना है कि मतलब लाइफ का एक ही टारगेट अभी बना लेना है कि भाई कैसे भी करके वैक्सीनेशन लेना, वो नहीं, मतलब बट अपॉर्चुनिटी है तो डिले नहीं करना है. Yes. So
There are
the question in the chat box which says that some people have got it twice. So what do you say to that?
I have given you example. It is not in one time that the robbers or Takas attack you. They have been repeatedly attacking you. But again, your preparation, what is your preparation? What is your physical preparation? What is your physiological preparation? What is your mental preparation? With then preparation, you can tackle every and each time and you can win over those. So first is vaccination, get it as early as possible. And second is mental vaccination. That is very important. That is very important. Your body will exactly behave in the way your brain gives signal to the body. Even the WHO is giving recommendations and guidelines that how positive mindsets we have to maintain in the, it's one of the WHO guidelines to maintain a positive mindset. It's a guideline from WHO that this will help you in overcoming the COVID crisis.
Praveen sir has a question. Praveen sir, you have raised your hand. Can you ask the question, please, Dr. Praveen?
I think Lalita ji also has.
Lalita ji, do you have a question?
Okay, Om Prakash ji says, who has lost all the credibilities anyway? Okay. So fine, Lalita ji, you are speaking on mute. Probably you have to unmute and actually say. Not able to unmute. You can type in. And Praveen also.
I would like to answer that WHO has still lost whatever lost credibility, but still we will be dependent on WHO for all the health related issues. It's not like that somewhere losing, because it's a different situation. It's a different ball game. Different ball game. Just like WHO is run by we believe in evidence-based medicine. We can't do something, and evidence takes time for generation. Try to understand. We are working on that. It's a time bound. It needs a certain years, but many lives will not be there to see that evidence, and they will be gone off. So each time we are getting as much evidence WHO generates. It's nothing of challenging WHO. It's doing its best. And best we can do to ourselves and our society, that we have to take initiative. Then questioning other authorities. What is our readiness? How much upliftment we are doing, how much we are uplifting ourselves and others around us. That is important. This challenge human race never has seen ever. It's the first time. So I think it should be a positive formation that still whatever good coming, we have to follow that.
Lalita ji, Dr. Praveen, you were the first to raise the hand. Could you, what question do you have for Dr. Neeraj ji?
Am I audible now?
Yes, you are.
That time I was unable to mute. Actually, that was a very important question nowadays. So just I want to add something to make clarity in people's mind. First of all, so many people have done negative publicity for vaccination. That is the reason of doubt everybody have created in their mind. Second thing, last year the COVID cases were 1/10 of what this year is. During last year, we used to hear at least 2 to 4 doctors who could not survive because of COVID every day. And this year, since all doctors have got vaccinated, so death of doctor have become very rare. Although the cases are 10 times more than usual than it was last year. Still doctors are able to save themselves because of vaccine. So it is very unwise to doubt on vaccine. There is no reason to doubt on vaccine. You are doubting just because of negative publicity and nothing else. And one thing to be kept in mind, one more important thing, that many people are going to get vaccinated, but they are going an overcrowding situation to get vaccinated. So because of this overcrowding, they are getting infection at the time of vaccination. So that you have to be very careful that you should not get any infection while you are going to vaccinated, because vaccine will work after 1 or 1.5 months, but that infection will affect you right now. So that's these 3 things I wanted to add. Thanks a lot.
Very well to reinforce both the things which I said earlier, that Definitely, this vaccine is going to prevent mortality, and that is the advantage health workers are getting. So there is very less mortality. You will be sailing safely with mild to moderate disease. You will recover quite well. And second thing I told, don't panic. So don't panic. Don't make crowd. Just make it a priority, but don't panic. We get the vaccine.
So there are a few more questions coming in the chat. This is from SD Radhakrishna. My uncle has taken 2 doses of vaccine, but 3 days back he got corona positive. Radhakrishna ji, what is your question? Is the question that, why is that happening? Is that the question?
So I will discuss what he's asking. He's asking that he got too vaccinated when he got infection. Yeah, many of the health workers, they have been vaccinated, they are getting infection, but again, that is going to be very mild infection. Body is ready for that. So it's not that after vaccination you will not get infection, but you are ready, and with mild disease you'll be able to recover quite well. So that is very important thing. And again, one more point which I like to explain from my side. Suppose you have only one vaccination and then you have a COVID infection, then the question it's asked in every talks that when to have the second vaccination. So at least a 4 to 6 week gap is required. Second vaccination, if you get for your first vaccine, you have COVID, then after 4 weeks you can have the second dose, but you should have that.
So Shrikant asks, can you tell the first aids to be done in case of early stages of COVID symptoms? I'll just repeat. After that, Lalita ji, you can go ahead. Shrikant says, can you tell the first aid to be done in case of early stages of COVID symptoms?
There was an audio lag. What is exactly asking?
Can you tell the first aid to be done in case of early stages?
So very important. Just try to listen. Actually, COVID is just like a normal respiratory or flu infection we were having, and at least so we should not panic. At least in 80 to 90% cases, it is going to behave as a normal viral infection. Around 80% who are healthy. Just like few malaise, cough, fever for 2-3 days. But after third day, if the fever keep on increasing, if there is respiratory difficulty increasing, if there is weakness, then D5 is the alert time when you have, if you have avoided or you're in home quarantine, then you meet a pulmo or a medicine doctor to get your immune marker and test done on day 5. It's a decisive. So that day 5 will decide either you are recovering, going uphill or going downhill. So day 5 is again very important. So if the story is good in the initial 3 day, you are improving, I think that's fine. You can home quarantine, get some medicine, and later on check your antibody and all. But if after day 4 the deterioration is there, then you have to be in touch with a good expert and take care. And again, your readiness, your physical, mental readiness is really going to be a big game player in that. I'm telling you, it happens when you are going for some presentation on the stage. Then you see what is your mental state. You are shivering, your tachycardia, palpitation. The time your RT-PCR comes positive, the brain starts sending negative signals to nerves, hormones, and that really impacts badly in the recovery process. And many mortality and morbidity is happening due to that. Again and again, I am emphasizing the importance of a positive mindset in this disease. It's very crucial.
Yeah, Lalita ji, go ahead. Will be our next question.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, Dr. Neeraj. I am 60 years old. I have to ask you just 2 questions. 20 days pehle, I think on 20th April, I got corona. And 5 days I was having very high fever, 102, 103. Now I have recovered. And for the last, I think 10 days, I don't have any fever also, but I am having too much weakness. So my question is कि मुझे injection लगवाने के लिए कब जाना चाहिए? First question. Second question, which will be the good for me? For which should I go?
तो वैक्सीन लगवाने के लिए 4 से 6 हफ्ते का 4 से 6 हफ्ते का गैप आइडियल माना जा रहा है। आपकी कोविड इन्फेक्शन जब से जहाँ से आपको हुआ है वहाँ से 4 से 6 हफ्ते के बीच आप वैक्सीनेशन करवा सकते हैं, या तो पूरे दोनों वैक्सीन डोज का, या अगर सेकंड रह गया तो उसका। पहली चीज ये टाइमलाइन। एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट टाइमलाइन है जो वीकनेस जो है ना, ये वीकनेस भी थोड़ी सी आपको ऑब्जर्व करनी कि अब इसका कैसा इंप्रूविंग फेज रहता है या इंप्रूविंग फेज कैसा रहता है, बिकॉज सेकेंड वीक के बाद भी थोड़ा सा हमें केयरफुल रहने की ज़रूरत है, खासकर थोड़ा अलर्ट रहने की ज़रूरत है कि वीकनेस अगर प्रोग्रेसिवली इंक्रीज हो रही है या इम्प्रूव हो रही है, या कोई हमें रेस्पिरेटरी सिम्टम्स डेवलप हो रहे हैं। 4 to 6 week is the ideal time. And regarding vaccine type, both are equally effective. Covaxin and Covishield, both are equally effective. Both have similar side effect profile. There is no comparison. Both are same. We should get whatever we are getting, and it's the that both are similar in the efficacy and side effect profile.
Neeraj, there is one question which is there also, that how is the Sputnik vaccine different from the current vaccine?
See, actually, as I told this, basically it's a virion and it's having multiple neuropeptide, glycopeptide and antigenic characteristics. So different strain from different part having different thing. And on that basis, the vaccine is generated. So these are the characteristic difference. But even if it is equally effective, I can say that even the Sputnik vaccine is useful and efficacious. That's what I can say. So there may be some technical challenges, differences, but overall the efficacy is same. And the vaccines are good. Sputnik vaccine is also good, and vaccine and Covishield are both equal. We should get them. But again, coming to the vaccination, mental vaccine is also mandatory. Again and again, I'll keep on repeating because it's a fact. It's important.
Thank you, Dr. Saab. That answers.
Positive brain can handle a weak body, but a negative brain can't handle a very strong body. It is for sure. You have to be mentally very strong.
Great. So, Doctor, I have one more question. So, people talk about, the third wave coming. We have still not finished the second wave, and they're talking about third wave. And what is this third wave is all about? And why people are saying this third wave is coming? And what is that precaution we have to take from our side? Is there anything different we have to do other than doing the exercise, doing pranayama and the Jalniti and other stuff? Is there anything that we have to do for second or third wave? Any difference?
Sir, I have one small question, sir, if you can answer.
Yeah, go ahead. Ask.
The question is, what is the side effect of the vaccination? I mean, after vaccination, my wife felt frequent sweating, lot of sweating. So is that the side effect of that? We got vaccinated on 3rd of this May.
So there are some minimal side effect in form of myalgia, in form of sweating, in form of weakness. Some mild symptoms are there for few days, 3 to 4 days, but they recover and they are not severe. And we should not scare for them, but we should just take rest and some paracetamol and something, and they've been off within few days. So
right, Doctor. Thank you. One more small question related to this only. मैं मेरा बेटा मेरी वाइफ तीनों ने वैक्सीनेशन कराया, लेकिन हमें किसी को भी बुखार नहीं आया। तो somebody मेरा किसी दोस्त ने बताया अगर आपको कोविड हो रखा होगा पहले तो बुखार नहीं आता। क्या ये चीज सही है या गलत है?
No. It's a myth. There is no correlation of interpretation between fever relating to the immune genesis as such or anything prior. So there is no relation with the fever as such. These are just assumptions and doesn't carry any relevance.
Not necessarily bukhar aaya hai.
Yeah, it's a myth. It's not, we can't on the basis of fever, we can judge whether previous infection, current infection or the efficacy of the vaccine. These are not corroborated findings. They are just assumptions, nothing to do in reality. And yes, Karthik sir, coming to your question of the third wave and maybe.
Sir, one last question, if you don't mind. That last question.
Yeah.
Last question is that certificate said that after 6 weeks you have to get a second dose of vaccination. तो क्या
Yeah.
6 हफ्ते बाद कराना चाहिए 8 हफ्ते? somebody told कि 8 हफ्ते के बाद में परफेक्ट टाइम होता है ज्यादा कराने
The
का.
range is 4 to 8 weeks. Range is 4 to 8 weeks. Between
Okay,
6 weeks, minimum 4 weeks, maximum 8 weeks. This is the recommended time for vaccination.
thank you, so nice.
And Karthik sir, regarding your question about the third wave and maybe fourth wave, and I don't want to name further. So this is a really challenge actually. The virus is coming with surprises every time. In 2020, after that ended, we were pretty relaxed. We were relaxed that the vaccination has been done, and the last 3 months, what shattering has been done, everyone is aware of that. Everyone is facing so much challenges, and we don't know what is going to be the further mutation in the viruses. What is going to be? We hope for the best, the positive mindset. Let's see that this time is settled down and majority have immunity. We wish that, we pray that, but we have to be ready. And now what we can do is vaccination is first thing. And again, at the physical level, maintaining an ideal body weight, the BMI as much as an ideal BMI, body weight normal, and a good head, healthy lungs, strong lungs by doing some pranayama, by doing aerobics, a healthy heart, and a positive hormonal profile of your body, positive neurohormonal axis, and which a positive mindset, definitely a self-assertion or what the things जिनकी हम वैल्यू समझते नहीं थे पहले कि ये इतनी वैल्यूएबल होंगी, वो वास्तव में रियली वैल्यूएबल हैं, क्योंकि इस फाइट करने के लिए जो जो हमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स, सुपर नेचुरल पावर्स चाहिए, क्योंकि वायरस सुपर नेचुरल है, ये नेचुरल तरीके से हम जीत नहीं पा रहे, हमें सुपर नेचुरल पावर्स जनरेट करनी पड़ेंगी अपने अंदर से, अपने ब्रेन के अंदर से, ताकि हम और भी एक्स्ट्रा से फाइट कर पाएं और अपने आप को स्ट्रांग बना पाएं. जो कवच या आर्मर की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, वो हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. डेली बेसिस पे हम उसको बिल्ड करते रहे हर एंगल से हमें डे टू डे बिल्ड करना है. सो 3 लेवल, फिजिकल, फिजियोलॉजिकल एंड मेंटल या फंक्शनल लेवल ऑफ ब्रेन, ये सारे ऑप्टिमम फंक्शनिंग हमें चाहिए. सबका कॉम्बिनेशन होगा तभी हम टोटल हेल्थ अचीव कर सकते हैं. टोटल हेल्थ से ही हम हरा सकते हैं वायरस को. हमें टोटल हेल्थ चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाट वी शुड टारगेट फॉर.
Okay, great.
We
Thank
have Bharat ji also who has raised his hand. Bharat ji, please unmute and go ahead.
Yeah, namaste, Dr. Ji. I just want to inquire after my vaccination. It is a problem for my wife. It has been almost 22 days or so, and she is facing some throat, some irritation in the throat, and even little nose. But that got okay. Now again, she's not getting, we shown to the doctor, but they have said that it is a mucus, little infection. So they given the medicines. I've taken even Ayurvedic medicine also, and told to gargle with warm water and little haldi inside. But again today in the morning she started more again, nose little in the ear. Sorry, she's getting little losing and all. So just is it after this has happened from the day of vaccination itself?
Again, these are reactions to maybe vaccine, maybe virus, and maybe environmental changes, and it should improve in your case at least. But again, I say कि अभी क्या हो रहा है ना, कि जो हम मेंटली इतने वीक हो गए हैं, तो हम हर थेरेपी ट्राई कर रहे हैं, और हम कई सारी थेरेपीज एक संग ट्राई कर रहे हैं. हम इतनी स्टीम ले रहे हैं कि हम ये सोच रहे हैं स्टीम से वायरस को हम बर्न कर देंगे, लेकिन जो स्टीम वायरस को बर्न कर सकती है, हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी ट्री को भी बर्न कर देगी. तो हम इतने मेंटल लेवल पे इतने डर गए हैं कि हम बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. तो अगेन यहाँ पे मेंटली स्ट्रांग होते हैं, हमें किसी एक चीज को जो हमें सबसे ज्यादा डिपेंडेबल लगती है उसको फॉलो करना चाहिए डेडिकेटेड तरीके से. रादर मल्टीपल चीजें साइमल्टेनियसली हाफ हार्टेड करके वो कई बार हमें हार्म करती. मतलब इन योर केस डेफिनेटली शी इज गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव. तो एक मॉडरेसी में रहना है, बहुत एक्सट्रीम नहीं जाना, बहुत पैनिक नहीं करना है, कॉन्फिडेंट रहना है, बट ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट भी नहीं होना है. ये बहुत नैरो जोन है कॉन्फिडेंट रहने में और ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट होने में. सारे प्रिकॉशंस फॉलो करने हैं, विजिलेंट रहना है, अलर्ट रहना है, बट पैनिक भी नहीं करना.
Dr. Sir, one more question in the chat box. that people coming from vaccination from a crowded place get fever, which they ignore, considering side effect of vaccine. After few days, if the fever doesn't go down, people go for checkup and find themselves positive. Please throw some light on this issue.
Yes, Abhi, Dr. Praveen was also telling the same thing that in this setup we are becoming panicky and we are making overcrowding, and this we get the virus, we get the vaccine same time we are getting, before getting vaccine we get the virus also from the surroundings, because we don't know अभी किसमें क्या है. तो मैं पैनिक नहीं करना है, सेफ सेटिंग में सोशल डिस्टेंस को मेंटेन करते हुए, ओवरक्राउडिंग को अवॉइड करते हुए और सेफ तरीके से वैक्सीन लेना है पूरे प्रिकॉशंस रखते हुए, क्योंकि दिस we may acquire with overcrowding at any place. तो चाय का बैलेंस करना है, प्रायोरिटी रखना है, बट पैनिक नहीं करना, ओवरक्राउडिंग नहीं करना, सेफली वैक्सीन लेना है. This is important.
Great, great, Dr. Neeraj, for this wonderful insight, and for coming over here. Especially, I know doctors are very, very busy during this time, and you have taken the time actually. Yeah, Captain Ji, I think we are actually coming to the time. There. Over to you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
that's, right. Dr. Praveen just wanted to say something. Dr. Praveen, just say something. That's the last question. And if anybody else has any questions, you can put it in the WhatsApp group and we will ensure that you are answered. Praveen ji, would you like to say something?
He has to unmute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, do unmute. Yeah.
Try now. Try now.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
I just want to answer this last question that if you have got vaccinated today and you develop fever today only within 24 hours and it persists till 3 days of after vaccination. So this fever is because of vaccine. First 3 days fever is because of vaccine. If you start fever after 3 days of vaccination, then it is because of disease. You can differentiate like that, because disease doesn't immediately develop, and vaccine usually whatever side effect vaccine causes, these are limited to 3 days only.
True, Dr. Saab. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And yeah, that has been my experience also. Only 2 to 3 days, and then the effect goes away. And if it persists after that, then one needs to be very cautious and go and take proper medical advice. Thank you, sir.
That's a fantastic, point that Dr. Praveen ji has put in. Thank you so much, Dr. Praveen, as well, for answering for both the doctors. And yeah, so over to you, Sanjay sir. And any further questions, please put it in the WhatsApp group. We'll pass on those questions to the doctors and they can actually answer it.
Right, sir. Thank you very much, Dr. Neeraj ji, Dr. Praveen ji, Karthik sir, Chauhan sir, Vijay Kumar ji, Sri Harsha ji, Yatiraj sir, Sarika ji. Thank you very much, all of you, and all the participants today. Thank you so much for your presence here and listening very patiently. We thank you and may God bless you. And
we have questions. We still have.
Yes, sir.
We'll still have questions to take. For those people who wanted to, ask any questions, right? We are given 30 minutes time for them to think over. Yeah. So can you all tell us in the rating of 1 to 10, 1 being the least and 10 being the best, how was our session? Whether you are joining today or not joining doesn't matter. Can you rate us in the range of 1 to 10? Each and every speaker has put in their efforts to get it. Okay, right? Dinesh ji says 10. Radha Krishna ji says 10. Tarun says 10. Wow, fantastic. Okay. Bharat says 10. Minal says 10. Amazing, amazing. And Vijay says 10. Super. Niranjan says 10. Yeah. Overall 6 on 10 without Yatiraj session. I know we have Yatiraj sir's fan here. Ravindra Kumar says 12. See, Om Prakash ji, after we send Yatiraj sir recording, then you have to change your rating and then you have to send it back. Is it okay? Yeah, I'll do. Super. Yeah, +2 for doctor session. Super amazing. Okay. So guys, yeah, So Yatiraj sir, yeah, my